Hello, I'm Shelley Mars. Welcome to my studio. Thanks for joining me. Today we'll start with a wisteria-colored puddle. Then we'll add our colors, starting with deep sapphire. Mystic green, phthalo green, a yellowish-green mixture, ultramarine blue, greenish yellow, glacier blue, and deep gold. Then we'll swipe with black activator. We'll torch to pop the overabundance of bubbles. But now we have white spots, so we'll take a skewer and touch them to remove or at least soften some of them. Now let's add some swirls for a bit more interest. If you're interested in purchasing any of my paintings, just let me know in the comments below, or email me at shelleymarsart@gmail.com. Then we'll take it for a spin. If you're in need of a really great spinner, there is a link in the description below. We can move the weight of the paint to determine what areas we want to keep. You can avoid most of the air bubbles by mixing your paints a day in advance. Thank you for joining me, dear friends. I hope your day is filled with wonder. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this with your friends. I appreciate you so much.